Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So I am super excited because I will be reviewing the full Modern Metals collection from E.L.F. Cosmetics. So this full collection is $32, which is crazy because it comes with an eyeshadow palette, a blush, and 2 lipsticks. And another thing that I'm really excited about was that it was created by a team of influencers, and they were the ones that won the contest during the Beautyscape weekend that they do, that E.L.F. Cosmetics does every year. So I don't want to make this intro too long, so I'm going to go ahead and get into swatches and then this full look tutorial that I created using all of these products. So if you guys are interested, this is what the full bundle looks like. This retails for $32, so it is a pretty good deal. Just interested in getting the eyeshadow palette, this one retails for $12. If you guys want to just get this individually, this retails for $12. If you guys want to just purchase this individually, it retails for $6. So right here we have the one matte lipstick that came with it, and this one retails for $6. This is a terracotta nude. Okay, so I'm going to start with the eyeshadow palette first and kind of create like a look with it. So every time I go to use a new shadow, since there are no eyeshadow names, I'm going to go ahead and just show you guys a quick clip of which eyeshadow I'm using. So I'm going to go ahead and just place that into the crease and kind of build it up. So I'm going to go ahead and kind of apply that darker nude and just apply it to the outer V and kind of just keep blowing it out so it kind of creates a bit of a wing. Okay, so I'm just kind of sticking that in right there and kind of blowing it out. I'm really just deepening in the outer V. And I'm just going to use this color to kind of deepen in my outer V. So I'm going to go ahead and place that right here. I don't see a lot of pigment, so I'm just going to press my brush like really in there, tap off just a little bit. I have a lot more on my brush now, and I'm just going to tap it on and then blend. I think that works a lot better. If you just bring a lot and then just kind of stamp it into your crease and work it up, you'll get a lot more pigment that way. Alright you guys, so I'm just going to go with that light nude color again and just kind of blend the two colors together. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and cut the crease. I'm going to use Born This Way concealer from Too Faced in beige. So whenever I cut the crease, I usually just go a little bit above the wrinkle of my eye so that when I do blink, it doesn't transfer. Then I'm just going to go back in with my brush and make sure everything is very smooth and looks good. So I put a little bit on top of the concealer and I'm just kind of blending the two colors so it looks nice together. Alright, so I'm going to go in with that olive green shimmer and just apply that to the concealer part. And I like to pat down so it gets like the best color payoff. Alright, so I'm just going to use my finger right here to kind of blend the two colors together. Yo, I'm feeling this like little eggplant look that I got going on right now. I feel like this is really nice for fall. So I went ahead and wet my brush and I'm gonna go ahead and just add that to the lid. I just wanna see if it looks a little bit more vibrant. Alright, definitely looks a lot better when you wet your brush. Alright guys, so I'm picking up this green liner from E.L.F. and I'm just adding that to the waterline. I'm going to go ahead and apply a little bit on top. Yeah, I'm just going to add these lashes really quick. They're kind of natural looking, kind of, you know. So I'm just going to show you guys a quick little close-up of my eyes right now. So now that my eye look is ready, I'm ready to apply this face palette onto my face. Where else? So I have medium to tan olive skin tone, and I actually really like orangey shades on me and a gold highlight. So I'm going to try this vibrant orange shade and see what that looks like. So I'm just going to use this brush from Real Techniques. This is a cheek brush, and I'm going to pop that into my cheeks and see, you know, how it comes out. Okay, so I'm going to smile while applying this. What I did was I just tapped really lightly in my brush into the pan, and then I just applied it onto my cheeks, and it was very pigmented. So I'm just going to use this highlight brush from E.L.F. and just go into my upper cheekbones, I guess. I don't really see a lot of highlight. Alright, so I'm just going to go back in, and when you apply this on your hand, you really do get a lot of pigmentation, but okay, so you just really need to build it up. That's it. One swipe isn't enough. You need to really build it up, and then you get like a very pretty glow. Alright, you guys, so when I first applied this highlight, I was like, there's no highlight. So what you really have to do is you really have to just like keep dipping your brush into the pan and really building it up. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the liquid matte lipstick, and this is a terracotta nude. There's no name for this one either, so I do think that the applicator on this liquid lipstick was a little bit flimsy and hard to work with, so I did have to use another brush. That's fine with me. I'll just know next time that I have to use a different brush and not to use this applicator, but yeah, you can tell like it's not completely even, you know? Alright, you guys, so I'm going to go ahead and put on the liquid lip gloss and see what this looks like. I'm excited for this because I do tend to wear lip glosses more. Alright, you guys, so this is what the lips look like with the liquid lip gloss on top. I think it looks so good with the liquid lip gloss on top. These two work really well together. So as for the face palette, the blush was amazing. It had so much pigment. I'm honestly shook. It's very similar to this other high-end blush palette that I use, so they did a really great job with the blush. As for the highlight, I did have to kind of build up the highlight to get a bit of a blinding glow. But once you do build it up, it does look really good. As for the eyeshadow palette, I really like the eyeshadow palette, especially the shimmers. The only thing I have to say is that when I applied that purple matte, I felt like I had to keep like dipping in to really get like a more vibrant color. And I have noticed that with other E.L.F. palettes, the darker colors you just have to kind of keep dipping in. What I would recommend is using like a very light base or a light concealer underneath your eyes to really get that really good color payoff. As for the lipsticks, I wasn't really a fan of the applicator on this one. It kind of made it difficult to apply. It's fine because you could just use another brush, but I just want to let you guys know that, to keep that in mind. It was a little bit flimsy and it moved around when applying it. The color is really good for fall. I think this is a really good dupe for the lip gloss Over the Top by Desi and Katie. It's not gritty at all. It looks really good on the lips. It looks really good on top of this matte lipstick. So that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial, first impressions. If you guys want to see any more looks with this collection, definitely let me know in the comments below, because I'm definitely looking forward to working more with the eyeshadow palette and working more with the face palette. So make sure to subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram at beautybydreav, and I will see you guys in my next